Hello, this is Trent Smith with the National Weather Service in Missoula, Montana, doing the planning briefing for Sunday, February 27th. So we're going to be transitioning into a fairly active weather pattern for the next several days, starting off with snow tonight, transitioning to rain during the day on Monday, with a significant amount of rainfall across north central Idaho into northwest Montana. We're also looking at some gusty winds over the Camas Prairie, especially on the Monday time frame. Then the return of snow Thursday into the Friday, then with some lingering snow showers over the weekend. So we are looking at an atmospheric river that will be trying to make its way into the Northern Rockies late tonight through Monday morning. As that precipitation first starts off, will be snow, and then snow levels will be rising and will change over to rain. So what I have on the graphic here is the 24-hour snowfall total for tonight through the Monday time frame. The left image is at least this much of snow falling across the area, and as you can see, the mountains along the Montana-Idaho border and across northwest Montana should get about 1 to 3 inches of snow in the valleys, with about around 6 inches in the higher terrain. And again, the area of concern is kind of that Highway 2 corridor from Troy to Libby, and that Bull Lake Road, plus also the Highway 200 corridor. But if the transition to rain is a little bit slow, we could see significantly more snow across the region, and this is as much, or we could get up to this much of snowfall if things kind of slow down, with Kalispell getting about 3.2 inches, and that Troy to Libby potentially getting up to maybe even 7 inches of snowfall, and then that Bull Lake Road getting several more inches, so potentially even getting up to 10 inches in that area. So this is kind of the worst case scenario if the transition is slow. More than likely will probably be somewhere in the middle of these two snowfall ranges. So winter weather advisories are out for Montana Zone 1 and Montana Zone 2, so predominantly that Highway 2, Highway 200, and the I-90 corridor for this snowfall during this time frame. But that atmospheric river actually lingers across the area well into Tuesday, maybe even to Wednesday time frame, bringing a significant amount of rainfall. Snow levels will actually be rising up to about 6,000 feet by the Tuesday time frame. So again, at least this much is on the left-hand side and could get up to this much, so kind of the higher end. And again, this is moisture or rainfall totals that we're anticipating, with Lookout Pass potentially getting 1.7 to 2.5 inches of rainfall. And as you can see, the hardest hit area is going to be kind of that Clearwater County up across the Cabinet Mountains up into the Yak, Troy, and Libby area once again. With this amount of rainfall on the snow, the majority of the snow in the higher terrain should absorb it, but down low where things have kind of melted off or really frozen, we could see some decent runoff, some minor flooding in small streams, ponding of water on frozen land, and we'll even see a significant uptick into the larger rivers. So this is the Clearwater River near Orofino. Later on in the week, we'll see all that water running down into the river basin. Currently, it's sitting at 3.76 feet with about 3,000 cubic feet per second flow. But by midweek, that's going to jump up pretty dramatically, be around 10 and a half feet in river height. But we're looking at the CFS to be around 30,000, so tenfold increase in the amount of water. The Clearwater River is definitely the most dramatic, but we'll see this kind of significant rise on all the rivers across north central and northwest Montana, especially around the Cabinet Range. So anticipate some minor flooding and some significant rises on the main stem rivers. Then come Thursday into Friday, we are looking at some more snow, another cold front coming in, setting up, bringing widespread snow. There's a little bit of uncertainty on exactly how this low pressure system will be moving through the area, but there's the potential of some decent wraparound snow developing across north central Idaho, Lemhi County into southwest. So right now this is just kind of a an average of all the models out there, with Missoula getting about an inch, 3 inches at about Elk City area, and then about potentially up to about 6 inches in the higher terrain. But there is the potential, if this sets up just right, we could actually see a significantly more snow, especially across southwest Montana and Lemhi County, and an uptick in north central Idaho. So definitely keep an eye out for that storm system. We are looking at snow kind of just lingering into the weekend. As of right now, and kind of remaining cool. So the two areas of major concern in the near term is kind of north central and northwest Montana. Again, starting off as snow, transitioning to heavy rain, potentially causing some minor flooding, and then snow just kind of being an impact come Wednesday, Thursday, predominantly in the higher terrain, because snow levels will be pretty high, and then that transition back to more colder temperatures, more widespread snow on that Friday time frame. Looking at the 6 to 10 day outlook for the Northern Rockies, we are looking at near normal probabilities for precipitation during this time frame, but we are looking at a better chance of below normal conditions. Will be predominantly in just that weak northerly flow, which will keep us cool with some lingering showers. So if you have any questions, please feel free to give our office a call, and if not, we'll see you at the next recording. Thank you. Goodbye.